Do you know how to define goals? Do you know how to achieve your goals faster? Do you know why the goals become just wishes? If you want to know, then this session I'm going to help you with smarter cube goals. This session is going to be a little bit longer, but yes, this is going to help you a lot. So let's begin. So smarter goals. First of all, let me help you to understand about the self-discovery. Self-discovery. Who are you? Who are you? What are you truly good at? What is your dark side? What are your limitations? What is the purpose in your life? What do you really want in your life? Why do you want what you want? Okay, let me ask some more questions. How can you accomplish this in the fastest and easily manner? Is whatever is the possible way. Who can be your mentor and guide? Who you want to help you? And on the day of your death, okay, what is you would like to be remembered for? How the people are going to speak about you? It's difficult, but still I can recommend one book by Robin Sharma, Who Will Cry When You Die. You can definitely refer that one. How can I discover myself? This self-discovery is going to help you to explore in better and easy manner. So let me start sharing the smarter goals. The first yes, okay, this is smarter. Yes for specific. Second S is for it's a special or significant goal, and the third one is stretched goal. Let me explain one by one in short. Specific goal, okay, what do you want to achieve? Is anyone else achieved? Is it likely I will face any challenges, and what may be these challenges be? So these all points are going to help you to define your specific goal. How will I achieve this? So ask these questions. You are going to get your specific goal. Next point is special or significant goal. What is special? Why do you wish to achieve your goals? Whatever is your goal, why you wish to achieve your goals? What will happen if you achieve your goals? List out at least 21 points. What will happen if you don't achieve your goals? What are the losses you are going to face if you don't achieve these goals? So next point comes is the stretched goal. The third S is the stretched goal. That is exceed your limit. So always think beyond your limits. Go for the maximization. Always say maximize yourself. Actually the stretched goal is going to give you more energy to take action. So I hope you are clear about the S's. Next comes is the M in smarter goal. M for meaningful goal. Second M is for measurable goal, and third M is for mastering goal. So let me explain about the meaningful goal. Okay, the goal should be meaningful. It means you should know the real why you are doing what you are doing. If you ask me why I'm doing what I'm doing now, is only one intention, that is I want to help you to grow online using knowledge and technology. Especially in this session, in this video, you are going to understand about how to set perfect goal. Okay, that is going to definitely help you to achieve your goals faster. Let's back. So get out there and do whatever it takes to achieve them. Next is goals will help you to do what? So this is going to help you clarify the meaningful goal. Next is measurable goal. The goal should be, you should be able to measure it. There should be a criteria for measuring the results. How you will come to know that yes, whether you achieved it or not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of steps should be there. Progress or status of the goal should be clearly defined. Remember one simple thumb rule that whatever you can measure, you can achieve. Whatever you can measure, you can achieve. So how much? Ask yourself how much? Okay, how many? And how will I know when I am going to accomplish? These are going to help you to clarify the measurable goal. Let's jump to the next M, that is the mastering goal. I want you to be the master in whatever the area of specialization you are going to share your knowledge. So the goal should make you the master in the world. Think in that direction. Think of the world class. Always be better than the best. Don't stop. Most of the time what happens is when you think I am the best, then your growth stops. So always be better and better. Okay, people should recognize you as the master in your area of specialization. That is the niche. Now let us go to the next abbreviation, that is A in smarter goal. A for achievable. The goal should be achievable. A for actionable, and A for agreed. The goal should be agreed. Let us understand. Let me help you to understand these goals in detail. Achievable goal. The goal should be achievable. Especially the short-term goal should be achievable. Okay, whatever it may be, for a month or for 3 months, these goals should be achievable. They should not look like, can I reach these goals? That should not be there. There should not be any doubt. The calculation should be very clear. Maybe the long-term goals can be mega and marvelous. Okay, I can understand. That is vision. There is a difference between goal and vision. Is my goal achievable? Ask 3 times to yourself. If you think yes, it is achievable, then it is truly achievable. Next comes is the actionable goal. Time. Now is the best time to take action. Always remember, success comes by your actions, not only by speaking, not only by theory. Okay, that is only through action. Vision and the goals are completely different. Vision is your long-term goal, we can say in short, and the goals are the short-term achievements. Goals are doable, and this involves, or the outcome will be some kind of results. Next is the agreed goal. Okay, there should be an agreement, or people should agree. The people include your family members, friends, relatives, team, office member, even the top management. So they all should agree. Even it should happen that to whom you are going to share your the goal, they should also feel yes, you are going to become successful. If that is the thing happening, then 100% you are going to get achievement of your goal. Next point in smarter goal is R. R is nothing but the relevant goal and a recorded goal or rewarding goal. Let me help you to understand these goals in detail. Relevant goal. The goal should be something relevant, specific to your area of interest. It should be in line and in harmony with what you want out of your life. It should be inclined. Okay, it should match with your core values. My core value is giving knowledge and helping people to grow with knowledge and technology. So the core value, the goal should match with your core values. So what you want out of your life? Ask these questions. Automatically you will come to know the relevancy of your goal. When you will feel truly accomplished, when you are going to feel truly accomplished, what is the true reason behind your goal? This is going to help you to explore about the relevancy. Next is the recorded goal. The goal should be declared. The goal should be recorded. Okay, let me help you with some more points. Always the goal should be written down. It should not happen that what is your goal? Every time you're speaking something different goal. No, it should be unique. Okay, at least for next 1 month, 3 months, 1 year. Okay, the goal should be in positive and present tense. It should be easy to share with others. Vision board. You should have a vision board in front of you all the time. You cannot see. I have the vision board in front of me. I know what I am going to achieve in next 1 year. So especially, even you can declare your goal publicly. Should be made. Next is the goal should be rewarding. Rewarding, you should reward yourself. How? Okay, what reward you are going to give yourself after achieving your goal? For example, maybe small rewards, small achievements, whatever you are going to achieve, reward yourself. Maybe a kind of small ice cream is also a great reward, great motivation factor. Especially reward yourself. As I said, you can gift yourself. You can gift yourself a holiday. You can take break. You can buy whatever you love to do, love to buy. That is all possible. That all you have to do it. Small rewards are great motivators. Okay, now let's jump to the next point in smarter goal, that is T. T for timely, that is time bound. And next T is for trackable goal. Next T for thankful goal, or I can say gratitude goal. Let me explore about this goal in more detail. That is timely, time bound goal. The goal should set lifeline for goals. You should set some lifeline to the goals. By what date and what time you are going to achieve the goal. So that is a lifeline. Some people say it as a deadline. Okay, instead of saying deadline, better to say lifeline. Its life is still that point. What is the lifeline? That is a definite date of my goal. Ask yourself. Next is, should I create a timeline? Timeline is nothing but intermittent small goals achievable. That is going to help you to understand whether am I on right track? Am I going to achieve my goals, and what are the changes I have to make? Next is, what can I achieve in next 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, 60 months? You think in that direction. That is timely or time bound goal. Next is trackable goal. Remember, last time also I shared with you, whatever you measure, you are going to achieve. How will I know whether I have achieved my goals? How will I know? So that is nothing but the track. Okay, how close you are achieving your goals. That will be easily understood by trackable goal. Maintain a plan versus actual graph for better result. You might have seen in cricket match that there is a the total, say it may be say 20 overs T20 or 50 overs one day match. The first team is going to score some runs, okay, and then the second team know what is the run rate they have to set to achieve that goal. Okay, so this is going to help you to understand about the trackable goal. Next is the thankful goal, the gratitude goal. That is, always express gratitude for achieving your goal. Give energy to others to achieve their goals. Recently, we have started one activity, that is Smart Accountable Partner. In this, we formed a group of people who are goal oriented, goal seeker. And what we are doing is every day morning 10 a.m. for 10 minutes we are meeting and giving blessing to all, and also taking blessing from all. Okay, it is G to G, give to get. Okay, it's truly wonderful activity we are doing. If you want to know more information about that, please visit the link given in the description, or you can directly refer oa.ourarea.in/SAP, Smart Accountable Partner. Let's come back. So thankful goal, take blessing from others. As I said, I always say this formula, that is G to G, that is give to get formula. Whatever you want in your life, give more and more. Now the next point comes in smarter goal is E. E for evaluate. You should be having the evaluation of goal. Second, E for energetic or ethical goal, and third is emotional and exciting goal. Let me explain evaluate goal in detail. So evaluate goal, you should evaluate your goals every day. Every day you should know like where I am now, how much point or distance I am away from my goal. Set up a system to evaluate about your goal. Make a habit to achieve your goals faster. Evaluate your performance every day. Take an accountable partner. As I said in just few seconds back, it's about the smart accountability system, wherein you are going to get me as accountable partner. Okay, smart accountable partner. Okay, I'm going to help you to evaluate your goal. Okay, yes, I have set some ideas, some system which is going to help you to achieve your goals faster. So if you want to know more information, be connected or visit the website oa.ourarea.in/SAS, Smart Accountability Partner. Smart Accountability Partner, SAP, yeah. So now let's come back to evaluation of goal. Now the next point is the goal should be energetic and ethical goal. What exactly it means? The goal must give you energy to work smarter and harder, not harder. It should be and harder. Even if you are working harder, you should feel energetic. Now you can see that I'm recording from last 2-3 days. I'm preparing this presentation, this content, okay, and now I'm recording after 2-3 days. So definitely it requires a lot of hard work. Yes, the goal should spread energy for all and motivate to go for an extra mile. Okay, that is nothing but energetic goal. The goal should be ethical. Set goals that meet a high ethical standard. Next is emotional and energetic goal. The goal should be emotional. Always remember, motion is created by emotions. Motion is created by emotions. So what emotions are involved in your goal? What are the emotions involved? What fires you up? By referring something, what is that is going to fire from inside? Think in that direction. What do you most care about? What do you most care about? What does it matter to you? So these are the emotional and ethical goals. And the last R, that is in smarter goal, is readjustable goal, and the next R is reach goal, and the last R is reactive or responsive goal. Let me share some more idea about readjustable goal. So the goal should be readjustable. You should be able to adjust your approach. You should be able to adjust your approach. The path may be different to achieve your goals. Path may be different, but the destination, the ultimate goal should be one. You can change the method or technique or process, but the goal should not be changed. Okay, continuously readjust to reach to the ultimate goal. Next is reach of the goal, or for reach of the goal. The reach should have wider horizon. Okay, that is nothing but the goal should help people at large. More and more people should be benefited because of your goal. The goal should consider others' benefit also. Because of you achieving your goal, who else are going to get benefit? Think in that direction. Next is reactive or the responsive goal. Whenever you refer to your goal, you should gain energy as reaction or response. Whenever you say, this is my goal, then you should gain energy. That should be the idea behind this reactive or responsive goal. Your goal must impact the world with benefits at large. Okay, let me summarize all the points. In smarter goals, yes for specific, special and significant goal, stretched goal. And next, M for meaningful goal, measurable goal and mastering goal. And A for achievable goal, actionable goal and agreed goal. And then R for relevant goal and recorded goal and rewarding goal. Next, T for timely or time-bound goal, trackable goal and thankful goal. And next, E come for evaluate goal, energetic or ethical goal, emotional and exciting goal. And the last point is R for readjustable goal, reach goal and reactive or responsive goal. So this is all about the smarter goal. Let me give you the smart actions. So number one is I'm going to give you a smart template. Please refer that template, and the link is given in the description. Refer that template. That is going to help you to design your goals in smart way. Okay, next is join different groups. Okay, visit ourarea.in/join. Okay, you are going to get different links of WhatsApp group, Telegram group, Facebook group or Google group. Do connect so that you are going to come to know about the latest announcement in future. Even please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay, as everyone says, like please subscribe to the YouTube channel, not for myself, for yourself, for your learning. I'm sharing a lot of valuable ideas with you, so take maximum benefit of these things. Okay, definitely share, not only subscribe the channel, also click on that bell icon and notify all. Okay, attend the live program. Okay, I'm conducting a lot of live training programs. Do attend all these live programs. For this, what I want you to do is join those WhatsApp or Telegram or Facebook groups. So that's it. This is all about the Smarter Cube goals. Really thankful to you. See you. Take care. I wish you to achieve your goals faster. Wish you great success. Thank you. Please, after achieving your goals, let me know in the chat box what goals you have achieved. Wish you more power, more energy to you. Thank you.